Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. Today we'll be learning about tenses. What are tenses? Well, tenses are form of verbs that are used to express time, such as the past, present and future. Tenses tell us when something has happened or when something is happening. Additionally, tenses also let us know when someone has done something. For example, Ram had biryani yesterday. Here the word yesterday tells us that the action has already happened in the past. There are three types of tenses. Present, for example, I am dancing. Past, I slept early yesterday. Future, I will graduate next year. First, present tense. The present tense is used to describe an event, action, or something that's currently happening or is an ongoing activity at the present time. Second, past tense. The past tense is used to describe something that has happened in the past to someone or something. It also tells us about the state of being that has already occurred. Third, future tense. The future tense is used to describe an event, an action, or a state of being that will happen in the near future or is expected to happen soon. These tenses are further divided into different parts called simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Let us look at them. Present simple tense. Present simple tense refers to an action that is happening in the present or an action that happens regularly. Present simple tense is formed by the base form of the verb. Example, I swim every day. The sentence structure of the present simple tense: I swim every day, subject, verb in the base form, plus the rest of the sentence. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to refer an action that is happening at the present moment. It is formed by adding a helping verb and an ing with the base verb of the verb. Example, he is walking. The sentence structure of the present continuous tense: he is walking, subject, helping verb can be am, is, are, plus main verb ing. Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense refers to an action that happened in the past but is still happening in the present or is somehow related to the present. It is formed by adding a helping verb, have or has, and a past participle of the main verb. Example, I have walked this road before. The sentence structure of the present perfect tense: I have walked this road before, subject, helping verb have or has, plus past participle of the main verb, plus the rest of the sentence along with the time frame. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense refers to an action that has happened in the recent past and is continuing to the present. It is found by adding a helping verb, the word been, been, and a present participle, the base form with ing. Example, Vidya has been singing for a long time. Remember, a present participle is formed by adding the letter ing to a verb base form. Here the word sing has transferred into a present participle by the letter ing. The sentence structure of the present perfect continuous tense: Vidya has been singing for a long time, subject, has or have, plus been, verb ing, plus the rest of the sentence. Now let us look at the past simple tense. A simple past tense refers to an action or an event that has already happened in the past. The past or the second form of the verb is often formed by adding ed or d letters to the verb base form. However, sometimes the word completely changes in the past form. Example, I worked hard last year. I ate a burger yesterday. The sentence structure of the past simple tense is as follows: I worked hard last year, subject plus second form of the verb plus the rest of the sentence. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense refers to an action that happened in the past and continued to happen for some time. Continuous tense is formed by adding ing to these base form of the verb. Example, Alok was walking. The sentence structure of past continuous tense is as follows: Alok was walking. Subject plus helping verb was or were plus main verb ing. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense refers to an action that already took place before another action is in the past. It is formed by the use of have in the past tense had and with the past participle. Past participle means a third form of a verb. Example, I had asked him already. I had eaten a burger in the morning. Here the words asked and eaten are past participle forms of the verb. The sentence structure of past participle tense is I had asked him already. Subject, helping verb had, past participle of the main verb plus the rest of the sentence along with the time frame. Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense refers to an action that has happened in the past, continued in the past, and ended in the past. Past perfect continuous tense is formed by adding had been with the present particle of a verb, base form, and ing. Example, I had been working at the hospital for 10 years when I got the promotion. The sentence structure of past participle continuous tense. I had been working at the hospital for 10 years when I got the promotion. Subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus rest of the sentence. Next, let us look at future simple tense. Future simple tense refers to an action that will happen in the near future. It is formed by adding an auxiliary verb, will, shall, and the base form of a verb. Example, Alok will sleep later. I shall eat lunch. The sentence structure of future simple tense is Alok will sleep later. Subject, auxiliary verb plus main verb. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense refers to an action that is expected to happen in the future. It is formed by adding an auxiliary verb, will or shall, the word be and the ing word in the base form ending. Example, Ananya will be going to school later. The sentence structure of future continuous tense is Ananya will be going to school later. Subject, auxiliary verb plus be plus main verb plus ing. Future perfect tense. A future perfect tense action is one that begins in the present and occurs in the future. It is formed by adding an auxiliary verb, will or shall, the word have, and the past participle form of the main verb. Example, Alok will have finished reading by now. The sentence structure of future perfect tense is Alok will have finished reading by now. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus have plus past participle form of the main verb. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense refers to an action that is happening in the present and will be completed in the future. It is formed by an auxiliary verb, will or shall, the word have, been, and main auxiliary verb with an ing. Example, Alok will have been meeting Akshay at the cafe. The sentence structure of future continuous tense is Alok will have been meeting Akshay at the cafe. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus have plus been plus main verb plus ing. Now let us look at this table for the rules of the tenses. Note, V1, V2, V3 are different forms of verbs. V1 refers to the base verb form. V2 refers to a simple past form. V3 refers to the past participle. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.